All right, check it out. I'm gonna do the rear brakes on this Honda Civic. This happens to be a 2013. If you need any of the tools, there will be links in the description. I'm gonna do this real quick so you can get back on the road. Let's get into it. Using a 14mm socket, you can take off the bolts for the caliper. You need a little slack, so you got to take off the brake hose bracket right here. 12mm socket. Pull that bolt out. Give you some slack. You can slide the caliper off. Take a look at the caliper boot. That one looks good. Take the brake pads off. 14mm socket. Slide the bracket off. Now we have this screw right here. We're going to use a Phillips head bit on this impact driver. You could try just using a screwdriver. Normally it doesn't work. Sometimes they're in there pretty good. Just give it a tap. Sometimes they come out harder than that. You really don't have to tighten them too much when you're putting them in. Just snug them up. There you go. And sometimes there's another one on the other side. This doesn't have one. Just grab the rotor. If it's stuck on there, give it a tap with a hammer. Slide it off. Now I'm going to clean up the hub surface. Just use a wire brush. Just use a thin coat of anti-seize on the hub surface, just so the rotor doesn't get stuck on next time. This channel's all the projects that I do nights and weekends, mostly automotive related. One of the largest ones I did was a 6-inch lift kit on a Ram. That video is going to be linked right there. It took over 100 hours to do the filming and editing, and I did it with floor jacks in my driveway. Check that out. There'll also be a link at the end of the video and in the description. All right, now we're gonna put the rotor on. I already cleaned it up with some brake parts cleaner. You can use a little soapy water as well. Get that lined up with the holes for the screw and just snug, not too tight. It just holds the rotor, that's it. All right, we're gonna take these clips off. Just clean this up. Just clean that up. The same on this side. A little silicone grease. Just a little, slow down corrosion. New pad clips, anti-rattle clips. Pull the pins out. Clean these up a little bit. I cleaned this up with a wire brush. This one was a little rusty. Then wipe it down with a rag and brake parts cleaner. And just put some silicone grease on. Brake caliper grease. Not too much. It's good. If you need to, you can use a pipe cleaner on the inside here. Clean that up. This one's pretty good. Just want to make sure it seals, make sure the boot seals. And I'll do the same on the other one. Alright, put the bracket on. Put the bolts in. we'll torque that to 55 foot-pounds. The brake pad with the warning indicator or squealer is going to go down on the inside. There we go. And then the pad with nothing, that's going to be on the outboard side. Alright, now we got a caliper. There's a clip right here. You gotta pop out. Take that clip out. Just push it towards the piston and it pops out that way. We have a new one. Alright, now we're gonna compress the caliper. You're gonna need this tool. They come in a kit so that you can spin the piston in as it compresses. There will be a link in the description for this tool if you don't have one. As you twist it, it's compressing the caliper. Just go nice and slow. And when it's all compressed, you gotta make sure that this lines up. So we'll just spin this a little more. Because there's a pin that has to line up. So this has to be lined up just like that. You see it. So this straight across and vertical so the pin can go down there. So we're going to add this spring, slide it in. Push it down and slide it back. Slide that over. Two bolts in. Get those started. Tighten those down. You can use a 17mm wrench to hold the pin from spinning. And torque those two bolts to 17 foot-pounds. That's good. And you want to put that screw back for the brake hose. Get that lined up. Snug that up.